Yeah, hi Reshma, how are you?
Hey, Chandan. I'm doing well, thank you. How about you? What's new with you today?
See, I'm not that fine, but I have come to your house with a purpose.
Oh, I see. Well, I'm here to help in any way I can. Let me know what's on your mind and we'll figure it out together.
No, Reshma, you're not here to help me. I was the person who helped you 6 months ago when you needed 50,000 rupees. You directly came to me and borrowed 50,000 rupees, and I did not even think for a single time. I lent you 50,000 rupees, but you haven't returned that amount yet. Why so?
You're absolutely right, Chandan, and I sincerely apologize for the delay. I truly appreciate your help back then, and I want to make things right as soon as possible. Let's figure out a solution together.
I'm not here to figure out the solution together, and I'm not going to buy this fact that you are going to pay me the money as soon as possible. I have come here after 6 months, you know. So don't you think that I need money right now?
I completely understand, Chandan, and I truly apologize for the inconvenience.
Don't
I'll do every
apologize, no, Reshma. Don't apologize. Why are you apologizing? I don't want anything from you but money. Please give me my money.
I understand, Chandan. I'll make sure to get your money to you as quickly as possible. Let me handle it right away and ensure everything is settled promptly.
Do you know, Reshma, what problem I'm going through?
I can only imagine how tough it must be, Chandan. I'm here to support you, and I want to help in any way I can. Please let me know how I can assist you best.
I need money and I am asking for my own money. You don't know what is going on in my family. So please do something and return my money as soon as possible.
I truly understand, Chandan, and I'm committed to helping you as quickly as possible. I'll make sure we sort this out right away, and I'll do my best to get everything resolved immediately.
What best are you going to do to resolve this problem? Tell me.
I'll make sure to prioritize it right away, Tandon. I'll arrange the payment as soon as possible and keep you updated every step of the way.
Saying as soon as possible, could you please give me a certain time that after a week, after 2 weeks, when are you going to give my money back?
Absolutely, Chandan. I understand the need for a clear timeline. I'll make sure you have the full amount by the end of this week, and I'll keep you updated if anything changes.
Okay, that's good, Reshma, as you are going to commit that you are going to return my money by the end of this week, right?
Yes, absolutely, Chandan. I'm committed to returning your money by the end of this week, and I'll make sure everything goes smoothly. Thank you for your patience.
Okay, so I'm waiting for that time. By the way, I have come to your house and you're not asking me even for a cup of tea or something.
Oh, my apologies, Chandan. Of course, let me get you some tea or something to make you comfortable. Please come in and make yourself at home.
By the way, Reshma, you know my nature. Uh, I get tensed very soon. So still, I'm not happy with you just because you did not give me even a single call within the 6 months of duration.
I truly understand, Chandan, and I'm really sorry for that. I appreciate your honesty, and I'll do my best to earn back your trust and make things right moving forward.
By the way, why didn't you call me? Were you busy?
I truly apologize for that, Chandan. There's no excuse, and I definitely should have kept in touch. I appreciate you bringing it up, and I'll make sure to communicate better in the future.
You know, there are some of my friends who already know the fact that I have lent 50,000 rupees to you. One day they all were, asking me. They were pressurizing me to talk to you, to give you a call. But I was not ready to call because I thought you would give me a call, but you never did that. That's the reason I had to come today to your house.
I completely understand, Chandan, and I'm really grateful for your patience and for finally coming by. I truly appreciate your honesty and your efforts, and I'll do everything I can to make things right as soon as possible.
See, Reshma, that is okay that you accept your fault and you are saying that you would return my money after a week. However, I'm just going to tell you, Reshma, money is such a thing which can break the good relationship easily. Do you understand that?
Absolutely, Chandan. I completely understand, and I truly value our relationship more than anything. I'll do my utmost to ensure everything is handled carefully and respectfully. Thank you for sharing that with me.
You know what kind of person I am. Let me tell you, Reshma. Suppose you are in a trouble and you come to me, you ask me for anything. If I have, I will never say no. Same thing happened that day also. You came to me, you asked me for 50,000 rupees. Immediately, I gave you 50,000 rupees. But I am such a person, I want that if a person has taken money from me, the person should himself or herself come to me and return that money.
I completely get your point, Chandan, and I truly respect that principle. I appreciate your generosity and your honesty, and I'll make sure to uphold that trust moving forward.
This is the thing. I have a lot of generosity, I have a lot of honesty. Because of that, I am being cheated all the time.
I truly understand how that can feel, Chandan, and I'm really sorry that you've had to go through that. Your kindness and honesty are truly valuable, and I'm committed to making sure that we restore that trust and respect.
I hope it happens, and I hope you are going to return that money after a week. By the way, could you please make a cup of tea for me?
Of course, Chandan, I'll get a cup of tea ready for you right away. Just make yourself comfortable, and I'll be right back with it.
Okay, so while you are going to make tea, can I watch TV?
Absolutely, Tandon. Feel free to make yourself at home and watch TV while I prepare the tea. Let me know if there's anything else you need.
Could you please tell me where the remote is?
Of course, the remote should be on the coffee table or maybe on the side shelf. If you don't see it there, just let me know and I'll help you find it.
No, I can't see it. Is it in the drawer?
It might be, it's possible it's in the drawer nearby. Go ahead and check there. And if not, just let me know and I'll help you look around.
I'm just going to check. Oh, you have nice TV unit. Wow, lovely. It looks attractive.
Thank you, Chandan. I'm glad you like it. Make yourself comfortable. And if you need anything else, just let me know. I'll have that tea ready for you in no time.
But your remote control is not here. Is it on the computer table?
It might be, or it could be on the side table as well. If you're still not seeing it, let me know and I'll help you look around or browse it for you.
Got it. I got it. It was on the side table. Yeah, you were right. Okay. Hey, by the way, there are two remotes. How to use? I have a little confusion.
No worries at all. Usually, one remote controls the TV power and volume, while the other might be for the streaming device or the sound system. If you let me know which one you'd like to use, I can definitely guide you through it.
I think both the remotes are going to be used. First, I have to turn on the TV, so I'm going to use this long one. I'm going to press the red button, and here we go. Yeah, TV is on. Good one.
Perfect. That's exactly right. And then you can use the other remote for the streaming or any additional features. If you need any help, just let me know and I'm happy to assist.
Hey, have you subscribed Netflix? I want to watch any movie on that.
Yes, we do have a Netflix subscription. Feel free to browse through it and let me know what kind of movie you're in the mood for. I hope you pick something out.
See, I'm in the mood for kind of horror movies.
Ooh, nice choice. There are definitely some great horror movies on Netflix. I can be pick one out or even recommend a few that are popular. Let me know what kind of horror vibe you're looking for.
Oh, let me search by my own. You just go make tea, okay?
Got it. I'll get that tea ready for you and you take your time browsing. Just let me know if you need any help or if you want any recommendations. Enjoy.
Okay, now after 5 minutes. Hey, Reshma, is my tea ready?
Yes, absolutely. The tea is ready and steaming hot. Come on over and grab it whenever you're ready. Hope you enjoy it.
Okay, let me take. Oh, it's steaming hot. Oh my God. I was just going to slurp it. Ooh.
Yes, definitely let it cool down a bit first. Take your time, and when it's at the perfect temperature, enjoy it. Let me know if you need anything else.
Hey, can I turn on the AC?
Of course, go ahead. Just be careful and take your time. If you need any help or anything else, I'm right here.
Where is the main switch of AC?
The main switch should be on the wall near the entrance or sometimes behind the TV unit. If you need help locating it, just let me know and I'll guide you.
Okay, definitely. Now I'm going to taste this tea. Wow, Reshma, you have done a great job. It's really exotic tea.
I'm so glad you like it, Chandan. Enjoy every sip. And if there's anything else you need, just let me know.
Yes. By the way, Reshma, if you don't mind, can I say something to you?
Of course, Chandan. Feel free to share whatever's on your mind. I'm all ears.
Reshma, I'm in love, love, love.
Oh, that's wonderful, Chandan. I'm so happy for you. I'd love to hear more about it whenever you're ready to share.
Yes, Reshma, I must tell you, there is a beautiful girl, and yesterday I went to market. I saw that girl. My God, seeing that girl, I just got drawn towards her. I love that girl.
That sounds so exciting, Chandan. It's always special when you meet someone who captures your heart. I'm really happy for you, and I'm here if you want to talk more about it.
Yes, I would like to talk about that girl. The fact is that I don't know who that girl is. Yesterday, I went to the park and I saw that there was a beautiful girl. She was just standing and she was looking at me. And I also started looking at her. Suddenly, she started passing smiles, and I thought that now she's going to be my girl.
That sounds like such a sweet and magical moment. It's always exciting when you have that kind of connection. Hopefully, you get an answer, get to know her better soon. I'm here to help if you need any advice or just want to chat.
Yes, Reshma, tomorrow morning, I am going again to the same park to see that girl. And if I come across that girl, I am going to ask her what her name is. Right, Reshma? Shall I?
Absolutely, Chandan. That sounds like a great plan. I'm sure she'll appreciate your sincerity. Just be yourself, and I'm rooting for you.
So tomorrow I'll talk to you about my going to be girlfriend, right, Reshma?
Absolutely, Chandan. I'll be here and excited to hear all about it. Best of luck tomorrow, and I'm looking forward to chatting more.
Yes, Resh. I'm sorry.
That's so wonderful, Chandan. I'm really happy for you, and it's always special to feel that way. I'm here to support you, and I can't wait to hear how everything goes.
Okay, Reshma, now the time for me to go. Thank you very much for your tea, and please return my money after a week, okay?
Of course, Chandan. It was my pleasure, and I'm glad we get to chat. I'll make sure everything is taken care of, and I'll see you soon. Take care, and good luck with everything.
Okay, Reshma, bye bye.
Bye bye, Chandan. Take care, and I'll talk to you soon. Have a great day.